state of Florida. That way, you'd have more light in the evenings in the winter.
Oh, Jesus! And he ran that red light, too.
Oh, he's running.
Oh, my God.
And he's not stopping.
I'm calling 911.
I'm going to go... Oh, he is stopping.
Yeah, you need to pull over because you need to offer them video or something. There's someone in the back.
Yeah, hold on. I want to get over here. That guy stopped. Okay, he's coming back. I don't...
What was that intersection? Brent and Davis?
Airport and Davis.
Get his license plate number real quick.
He stopped.
Hi, it's at the corner of Airport and Davis. There was a hit and run, but the guy actually has gone a little bit further and stopped, and I wanted to make sure I gave you his license plate number before we proceed on.